Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am taking topic from grade 7 chapter number 1 integers, properties of integers, that is closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity element and distributive property. Grade 6 we do all the properties for whole numbers, grade 7 for integers and grade 8 we do for the rational numbers. Last week I have made video for the whole numbers. Now I am making video for integers so that it is easier for the child to understand the proper concept. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel. So let us start with the properties of integers. Here I have taken few values. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4. Here you can take any values. You can take few negative values, few positive values. You can take all the negative value. This is your choice. But when we start integers in grade 7, it is always better to take positive value because child doesn't know the proper concept of integers, multiplication of integers. So here I have taken the easiest number, but this is your choice. So let us start. The first one is addition, and I'm going to explain you the closure property. What is closure property? If A is also a integer, B is also an integer, then the sum of two numbers will also be an integer. This is known as closure property. So let us substitute the value of A is 2, value of B is 3. If we add 2 plus 3, we will get 5. 5 is also an integer. So we can say that yes, we can observe closure property in addition of integers. Now come for the second one, that is commutative property. Commutative property is related with two numbers. So if two numbers are the integers, and if we will interchange the numbers, it means a plus b or b plus a, just interchange the number. If the sum is same, we can call it there is a commutative property. So substitute the value of a is 2, b is 3. So 2 plus 3 will give you 5. Come to the right hand side, b plus a, just change the order. So 3 plus 2 will give you 5. Again your left hand side and right hand side part is same. What does it mean? We can observe commutative property in addition of integers. Come for the associative. If more than two numbers are there, then this is known as associative property. Here we will take three numbers to explain. So what is associative property? If we add two numbers and with the sum we add the third number, or we add these two numbers with the sum, if we add third number, if your answer is same, this is known as associative property. So just substitute the values here. Here I have taken b plus c in one bracket, and on right hand side a plus b is in one bracket. So let us start with the left hand side part. Substitute the value of a is 2, b is 3, c is 4. These two numbers are in one bracket, so we will add 3 plus 4 will give you 7, and add with 2 you will get 9. Come for the right hand side part, value of a is 2, b is 3, c is 4. 2 and 3 is in one bracket, so we will add these two numbers. So 2 plus 3 will give you 5, plus 4 will give you 9. So here also you can say that left hand side and right hand side part is same, answer is same, calculation is same. So we can say that yes, we can observe associative property in addition of integers. Now the next one is identity element. So identity element, we observe commutative property as well as property of 0. It means if we add 0, we get the same number. Two properties we observe in identity element. So a plus 0, so value of a is 2 plus 0 will give you 2. Then a value of a is 2, and then just interchange 0 plus a, so 0 plus 2 will give you 2. So finally everywhere we are getting 2. It means we can observe identity element in addition of integers. And what is the additive identity? 0. If we add 0 in any of the number, we get the same number. Now same four properties we will do for multiplication. So a and b these two are an integer, so their product will be also an integer. Substitute the value 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 6 is also an integer. You can take here negative value also. So negative number also belongs to integer. It means we can observe closure property in multiplication of integers. Come for the commutative property, just like addition, we will just interchange the number. So here 2 multiplied by 3 will give you 6, and on right hand side 3 multiplied by 2 will give you 6. So 6 is equal to 6, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say that yes, we can observe commutative property in addition of in multiplication of integers. Come for the associative property, same way, just like addition, here B and C are in one bracket. Substitute the values. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, 3 and 4 is in one bracket. So first we will solve this. 3 4s are 12. 12 multiplied by 2 will give you 24. Come for the right hand side part, here A and B are in one bracket. Substitute the value. So 2 multiplied by 3 will give you 6. 6 multiplied by 4 will give you 24. So here also you can see that your answer left hand side and right hand side is same. So again we can say that yes, we can observe associative property in multiplication of integers. Now come for the identity element. Here two things we will observe together, commutative property and property of 1. So a multiplied by 1, so 2 multiplied by 1 will give you 2, value of a is 2. Then just interchange the number 1 multiplied by a, so 1 multiplied by 2 will give you 2. So at last you are getting all the answers same. What does it mean? Yes, we can observe identity element in multiplication of integers, and what is the multiplicative identity is 1. So here we can see that for addition and multiplication we can observe all the 4 properties, or we can say that addition and multiplication is closed for all the 4 operations or the 4 properties. Now same thing we will do for the subtraction. So here just substitute the value of a is 2, value of b is 3. So 2 minus 3 will give you minus 1, and minus 1 is also an integer. So we can say that yes, we can observe closure property in subtraction of integers. Come for the commutative property. So here just substitute the value of a and b on the left hand side part. So 2 minus 3 will give you minus 1. Now interchange the numbers on the right hand side part. Substitute the value 3 minus 2 will give you 1. So left hand side is minus 1, right hand side is 1. These two are not equal. So we cannot observe commutative property in subtraction of integers. With the logic, we can say that if the property is not true for 2 numbers, definitely it will not be true for 3 numbers. So by using logic, I am writing here, no, we cannot observe associative property in subtraction of integers. Okay, but this is your work. You can substitute the values and find out, are you getting left hand side and right hand side equal or not. This is your work to do. Same for the identity element, just substitute the values. So 2 minus 0 will give you 2, but 0 minus 2 will give you minus 2. So here also we are not getting same answer. So we cannot observe identity element in subtraction of integers. Now come for the division. Substitute the value a divided by 3, 2 divided by 3. This is not an integer. Here you will get the numbers in decimal, and decimal numbers are not there in integers. So we cannot observe closure property in division of integers. Not always, I have written here, because sometimes if your number in place of 2, if your number is 6, so 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. But every time you will not get the answer, the quotient as an integer. Sometimes you may get, sometimes you may not get. It depends upon the number. So we can say that no, we cannot observe closure property in division of integers every time. And one more thing, whenever we are dividing, this b, value of b should not be 0, because dividing any number by 0 is not defined. So this case is always there in whole numbers, in integers, also in rational numbers. So come for the commutative property. So 2 divided by 3 and 3 divided by 2, your answers are different. This number will be there less than 1, and right hand side part answer will be greater than 1. So these two are not equal. So we cannot observe commutative property in division of integers. Again, by logic, for two numbers, if it is not true, so definitely it will not be true for three numbers. So using logic, I am writing here, no, we cannot observe associative property in division of integers. But this is your work. Substitute the values and find out whether you are getting right hand side or left hand side equal or not. This is your work. Come for the identity element here. So 2 divided by 1 will give you 2, but 1 divided by 2 will be 1 by 2. So again your answers are not same. So we can say that no, we cannot observe identity element in division of integers. So we can say that subtraction holds only closure property. Subtraction of integers hold only closure property. Division of integers may hold closure property or may not hold closure property. Now distributive property. So distributive property, we have multiplication over addition. What does it mean? Multiplication sign is outside the bracket and addition sign is inside the bracket. So multiplication over addition, and here multiplication over subtraction. Subtraction sign is inside the bracket. So we just multiply a multiply by b, plus sign, whatever sign is there, then a multiply by c. You can see here on the right hand side. Similarly here, a multiplied by b. So this is a multiplied by b. Minus sign is there, so write down minus sign. Then a multiplied by c will give you a multiplied by c. So the method concept is same, just like the whole numbers. The difference is here you will get negative numbers and you will use all the rules of multiplication and multiplication, subtraction, division, addition of integers while solving sums using distributive property. So here is few questions. So the additive identity of integer is 0. The multiplicative identity for integer is 1. Fill up the blanks and fill up the blanks of sorry, it should be integers. Just let me make change. So it should be actually integers, not whole numbers. It should be integers. Please do correction. Hold all the four properties. Here also subtraction of integers holds only closure property. The integers we cannot be used as a divisor is 0. The set of integers is closed under addition and multiplication. So thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also to watch my next video.